Hello everyone. Start off by taking a file and then add almost oval piece of paper and then make a cut out of it. Then wrap it using some thread or some cloth and then use a hot glue gun in order to fasten it in its place. Attach another one of these at the top after adding multiple wires in the middle of both of them. Now begin to line it with some grey thread or some jute thread. Do it alternatively between each of the wires as such. At the top, once you reach the top, add multiple pieces of lace. Now once you have added your lace, add a little button to one of the sides, that is a clip-on button, and then close it as you please. This will make a little bag. Add a little flower to it as well. Now take some lace along with some thread and then add multiple beads through it to make it look all the more better. Add this as the handle, and now you may use this bag in order to store any item that you may please. This is the final look of it. Next, start off by taking an empty container, cut off the top portion of it. Now take multiple wooden sticks and then line it all around this container. Add thread all around it, and then once you reach the portion of the wooden sticks, alternate between them using the thread as such. This should give it a different kind of look. Attach lace to the top as such and then make it look all the more better. At the bottom, stick 3 wooden sticks to it. Insert a wooden plant or a potted plant into it as such. It should look all the better. Next, take an empty food container, wash it, and then wipe it dry. Cut out a triangular piece of cardboard paper of the same size. Now line it with some cloth as such and stick it into place. Then reverse it and then stick cloth at the bottom as well. Do this all around in all of the grooves. Now stick cloth all around it. That is, stick thread all around it in each of the layers. Now stick the cardboard paper along with the cloth to the top as well. Line it together as such. Stick it at the bottom to make it look all the more better. Attach lace to one of the ends. Line it with jute thread. Now take multiple circular shapes as such. It could be cotton rods or wires or any other such circular object. Use it as the handles to each of these. Now you may use this to store all of your bracelets and then divide them on the basis of anything that you like. Next, take any sort of cylindrical can and then cut out a little rectangular portion into it. Use a marker to do so that you do not go wrong. Take multiple wooden sticks. Remove the outer peel of this cylindrical object and you should be left with a brown inner covering. Cut out a circular shape out of some cardboard paper and then add it as the base. Now line this entire portion with sticks. Add glue all around and then stick them all together as such. Now place it horizontally and then at the bottom, in the portion that is cut off, add very small pieces of sticks to fill in that portion as well. Add a little stick in the middle, that is a little wine-like stick. This will be used as the handle. Now on one of the sides you may add flowers of the same color along it. Once you are done with this, you may fill the entire portion with different colored flowers as we have done to make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.